Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm alright. Have you melon and oranges? Give me a melon and oranges, please.
Take this. Anything else?
No, that's everything. Thanks.
Okay. That's 200 rupees, please.
Here you go.
And 300 rupees change.
Excuse me, I think you are overcharged me.
Let's see. 50 rupees for melon and 100 rupees for oranges.
I make that 150 rupees.
Oh, yes, you are quite right. So I owe you 50 rupees. I'm terribly sorry.
No problem.
Kashif, where is my suitcase?
It's right there, behind the sofa.
Oh, great. And do you know where my keys are?
They are on the desk by the computer.
Okay, thanks. Have you seen my cell phone by any chance? I can't find it.
Oh, I don't know. Look there, it is under my coat, there on the sofa.
Thanks. Where are my new shoes? Have you seen them?
They are under the chair by the window.